Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is spicy Szechuan peppercorn fish soup with sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, directly translated sour cabbage, is cabbage that has been fermented. Sauerkraut is made by a process of pickling called lactofermentation, which is similar to how Korean kimchi is made. Sauerkraut is popular in many cuisines such as German, French, Russian, Filipino, Korean, Japanese, and Chinese. Now, before we start, let's take a look at what we need for the dish.
Here is the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of ingredients. 4 ounces onion, thinly sliced. I'm using red onion. You can use any onion of your preference. 8 ounces sauerkraut, thinly sliced. I have rinsed it in water and washed off excessive sourness and then drain out the excessive water. I'm using Chinese sauerkraut. You can use any sauerkraut of your preference. 16 ounces frozen tilapia fillet, defrosted and cut into bite-sized pieces. Tilapia is very popular here in US now and is the most inexpensive fish, something like $3 a pound if you buy in the bulk. I'm using tilapia. You can use any white fish of your preference. We're going to marinate the fish with half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. You can use dry sherry as substitute and mix well to set aside for 2 minutes before start cooking. We have finished the preparation and we are ready to cook now. I am turning on my electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for an electric stove or medium to high heat for a gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons spicy Szechuan peppercorn infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until it's hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We're going to cook the onion for 1 minute until the onion is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The onion is slightly soft. We're going to cook the sauerkraut for 1 minute until it is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The sauerkraut is slightly soft. We're going to add the fish. And water to cook for 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes since we add the fish and water. Now the fish is tenderly done and the sauerkraut is cooked through. It is done.
Let's have a quick review of what we've done.
I hope you will enjoy this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.